Hey guys, this is Miss Baxter here, and I'm coming to you from my home. So sorry about the mess. I'm doing work tonight. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of go over some expectations. Okay, going forward. A lot of my teaching is going to be done by videos going forward. Me standing up there in front of the room and talking to you guys doesn't seem to work sometimes, and that's okay. Whatever. Some of y'all don't want to hear me. Some of y'all don't want to learn, but you're not going to prevent others from learning. Deal. That is a deal that you and I have to make. By that, I mean, if you don't want to learn today, say you're in a yellow or red zone or a blue zone, then by all means don't learn. Just I ask one thing of you. You do not talk. You do not talk over me. You don't bother people as they're trying to learn. If you do, we're going to have problems. If you don't want to learn because something's going on, you want to talk to me about it, talk to me about it. If I can't talk to you at the moment because I'm teaching or doing something, write me a letter, okay? Something. Just get it off your chest. You don't have to write it to me. You can write it to anyone else. But do not bother people while they're trying to learn. You don't have that right. You don't have that right to rob them of an education. No one does. I don't, you don't, no one does. So with that said, most of my videos will be by teaching most of my teaching will be by videos, just so that way you as the learner can pause it, go back if you missed it, zoned out, whatever, spaced out. And that's fine. So by now, you should have already come in and completed your warm-up and your star question of the day. I'm sure we already went over it. If my class goes in the order I want it to. And so the next thing we're going to do is start setting up our journals. Okay. There's going to be another video for that because, again, I want to be able to walk around the room and make sure everyone's doing the right thing and staying on task and not up there at the front of the room trying to do that and then lose some of you in the audience. So please participate in class. That's all I ask. Just participate. Have fun learning. I really want to teach. All I want to do is teach. That's all I want to be as a teacher. And the reason is because I was a crappy student. I know I've told you this before. I know I've mentioned it, maybe not to all classes, but if you don't know me, this is the first time you ever met me, I want to tell you, I'm going to be honest and upfront, I was a horrible, horrible, horrible student in class. Meaning, when I was in school, grade school, middle school, high school, I was not a successful learner, okay? I couldn't focus. I wasn't a bad kid. I wasn't hyper. I didn't talk all the time. Well, I did talk a lot. I ain't gonna lie. I did talk a lot. But I did it because I felt unsuccessful. I felt like I was a failure anyway. I felt like school was a chore. I felt like I just wanted to quit. And I had no one push me. No one pushed me. No one tell me any different. I was just labeled as a kid that was a comprehension case. Couldn't comprehend what I was reading. Therefore, I struggled my whole life. I wanted to drop out. I wasn't allowed to. But I did run away from home several times. I failed most of my classes in high school and had to do a lot of makeups, and it was just horrible. All because I had ADHD, which no one knew. I didn't know because I didn't really talk to anybody about it. And I never had a teacher that cared enough to ask me what was going on. So I really wanted to become a teacher and change that for somebody else. I want to share my story with you. And as the year goes on, I'll share more with you. But I still struggle with ADHD today. I take medicine, but sometimes I don't like it because it makes me never hungry. It makes me irritable. It makes me grouchy sometimes. So as a result, I don't like to take it, but I know I need to at least take it during the school days, the days that we have school. I have to. So I stay focused, and so you stay focused. Or I can try to keep you focused, or whatever. See, I haven't taken it today because it's not a school day, so I'm a little off. But anyway, I really, 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 really know I can get you, every one of you, to pass the Science STAR test. Okay? It is so important that we emphasize it every day because I use a lot of football language in class, and my number one thing is the STAR test is like our Super Bowl. We train every day for the Super Bowl. Okay? If we didn't, then we'd go out there and we'd be a laughing stock. So we're going to train every day, and we're going to do our best every day in class. You're only with me for like 50 minutes. I don't know what you do in your other classes, but if you please bring your best to me in that 50 minutes, we will have an amazing year. Okay? Bye.